Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download Wattpad stories for offline reading. In today's video, let me show you how to download Wattpad stories for offline reading so you can enjoy your favorite tales anytime, even without an internet connection. First, make sure you have the official Wattpad app installed and you're logged into. To add a story for offline reading, go to your library, look for the download icon next to the story you want, tap it, and it will be added to your offline list. Keep in mind, you need an internet connection to add stories. If you reach your offline limit, you can either remove a story from your offline list to make space for a new one, or upgrade to Wattpad Premium for unlimited offline access. To remove a story, just go to your library, tap Remove from Offline List next to the story, and confirm. That's it. Now you can read your favorite Wattpad stories anywhere, anytime. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.